Welcome to today's BYU software training presentation on electronic thesis and dissertation. Today we are going to cover how to correctly format the page numbers in our document. Previous to this, we have created headings and subheadings. For more information on how to do this, please consult our video on headings. The first things we will do is open our navigation pane to make it easier to view our headings we've created. We do this by going to the View tab on the ribbon, and then on the Show pane, we select the navigation pane box. Now we can see the layout of our bookmarks. Back on the Home tab, on the Paragraph command group, let's select the Show Hide tool, this little paragraph button right here. This allows us to see how Word is formatting our document. The paragraph symbol in the body represents one new line between groups of text. The page break notation represents space inserted between one page and the next. Page breaks do not affect formatting between pages. That's important. Understanding these concepts will help us later as we number our pages. Before we insert our pages, it's important for us to understand BYU's requirements for page numbering. According to BYU's guidelines, the title, page, abstract, and acknowledgments, if they're included, will have no number displayed and are counted with Roman numerals. The pages will be referenced in the table of contents. The table of contents will have a visible number and be counted with Roman numerals. The page will be referenced in the table of contents. If included, the list of tables and the list of figures will follow the same format as the table of contents. The body of the work and appendices will have visible numbers and be counted with Arabic numerals. Don't worry if that doesn't all make sense, because we're going to go through it. Because there are different formats that needed to be followed, we need to insert a section break into our document. The section break creates a formatting separation between two parts of our document. It allows multiple parts of a document to be formatted differently, which is what we want. The first place we want to insert a section break is our table of contents. An important concept to know is that section breaks modify the pages that precede them. Again, the pages that precede them. Therefore, we want to place our cursor in front of the text table of contents. To insert a break, we go to the Page Layout tab on the ribbon, and then on the Page Setup command group, we select Breaks. We're going to select Continuous Section Break, as we do not want to have our section break applied on the next page or on odd or even pages. If we look on our previous page, we can see that the section break notation has been added. We now know that this page and everything that precedes it is a separate section from the rest of our document and can therefore have a different format. The other section we need to create will be from the table of contents to the body of our document. We follow the same process as before, making sure to place our cursor before the text introduction. As before, our section break notation is now visible. We are now ready to insert page numbers. Let's go to our table of contents page, and then open our header and footer tools by double-clicking on the bottom of our document. An important step is to make sure that the Link to Previous command is not active. We can find this under the navigation pane, and we do not want it to be highlighted or our section breaks will be overridden. We deactivate it by clicking on it. We need to do this same thing at the beginning of the main body of our document. We do this by following the same steps and clicking and deselecting Link to Previous. Now, returning to Table of Contents, we double-click again to open our header and footer tools. Now I select the Page Number command, and I'm going to go ahead and select Format Page Numbers. Under the number format, we're going to change them to be Roman numerals, and we're going to have them start at the correct page number, which in this case would be 4. I return again to the Page Numbers command, and then under the bottom of the page, I go ahead and select plain number 3, or either of those according to your discipline. Please check according to your discipline where you need the page numbers to be. I'm going to put mine in the bottom right. As we can see, due to our section break, we do not have any page numbers in the first 3 pages of our document, meaning that our section breaks work correctly. I'm going to follow the same process under the introduction to insert page numbers there. Again, I make sure that Link to Previous is not selected. Go to Page Numbers, Format Page Numbers. It appears that they're already in Arabic text, so I click OK. I return to the Page Number command, go to bottom of the page, and again put them on the bottom right. We can now see throughout our paper that the page numbers are formatted correctly. Thanks for watching today's presentation on electronic thesis and dissertation. Please consult the other videos and BOE's official guidelines for more information on how to correctly modify your document. Good luck with finishing and submitting your paper. For other online software training and to sign up for free BOE software training classes, please visit train.bou.edu.